So I saw your question. A machinist is to make the metal plate representing in the figure to the right. What is the overall length or base of the actual plate? So we have this nice drawing here, and this would be the length. And I've counted it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 blocks here. There's 12 squares here. So each square, the length of each square is 3.75 inches. So this first one's 3.75, the next one's 3.75, next one's 3.75, etc. And there's 12 of them. So you might be thinking, well, I just end up multiplying 12 times 3.75. That would be correct. That's going to give you all overall length or base here. But you mentioned you want to try and follow along with the book and use a direct variation. This is the formula for direct variation, y equals kx. What's x and y represent? Well, we'll let x be the number of blocks. In this case, it'll end up being 12. And y is the actual length of a block. And so we know each block is 3.75 inches. And so, we're talking about one block is 3.75 inches. So the value of k, is 3.75. And so the equation, putting in k here, it's 3.75 times x. So you put the number of blocks in, you multiply it by 3.75, and that'll give you the length. So this is 12 blocks here. We multiply it by 3.75, and I believe that's 45 inches, is how long this will actually be. I hope that helps.